Hello everyone, in this wireframing tutorial, we are going to see how to wireframe a Salon website for a client using MockFlow Wireframe Pro, where we will design the complete website layout step by step. Start by adding the browser frame component, followed by the image component as a hero image placeholder. Drag and drop the rectangle component to act as an overlay over the hero image, and then add another image component to use as a logo placeholder. Add the menu icons for the header menu section and customize them as required. Add the hero section title and tagline using the text component. And complete the hero section by adding the button component and customizing it. After completing the hero section, add another section for About Us. Customize the background and add the text component to create the section title and description. Add the check icon from the MockFlow icon library and place text beside it to represent key points. Create one point and duplicate it for the remaining points by changing the text. Add the image placeholder and duplicate it. The actual images will be added later after completing the wireframe. Continue by creating a section that highlights the experience. Start by adding the rectangle component as the background and customizing it accordingly. Add the image placeholder, followed by the heading text, title text, and description text to complete the experience section. Move on to the offerings section by adding the section title and placing an image placeholder. Reuse the same image placeholder to create multiple offering cards. Add the offering name using the text component and repeat the same structure for the remaining offerings by updating the content. For the testimonial section, begin by adding the image placeholder and a rectangle component customized as an overlay. Add the ratings component and customize it. Place the text component for the customer review, followed by an image placeholder and text for the customer name. Add the pricing section by placing the heading and title similar to the previous sections to maintain visual consistency. Add a text component displaying the service name, a brief description, and the pricing details, then customize each card for different services and plan prices. Introduce the team members section by reusing the rectangle background from the previous section. Add the section name and heading. Then place image placeholders for the team members. Add a rectangle component as a background for the stylist's name. Create one team card and reuse it for the remaining members. Build the additional services section by adding the heading and title, followed by a rectangle component that will act as the service card. Add the image placeholder, the service name using the text component, and a short description. Reuse the same card layout to create additional services and customize the content accordingly. Set up the blogs and news section by reusing the rectangle background from the team member section and updating the section title and heading. Reuse the image placeholder and text layout from the team cards and customize them by adding the blog category, title, and a short description. Duplicate this layout to create more blog cards and add slideshow navigation indicators to show that the blogs and news are displayed in a carousel format. Create the footer section by reusing the same rectangle background from the previous sections and building the footer layout. Add the contact column with text components for the address, phone number, and email ID. Add another column for working hours by listing the days using the text component followed by the timings. Create one row and reuse it for the others by updating the values. Add the subscribe column with a title and description, followed by a rectangle component with placeholder text and a button component, and customize it. At this stage, the first draft of the wireframe is ready. Make a few small tweaks and adjustments to spacing, alignment, and layout to refine the overall structure before moving on to image placement. Add images to the wireframe by selecting the image components and choosing Add Image from the Quick toolbar. Insert visuals from the MockFlow image library and replace all image placeholders. Once the images are added, the wireframe will reflect a fully completed look of the Salon website. MockFlow Wireframe Pro makes this process seamless with its drag and drop and easy-to-use components. Create stunning website wireframes seamlessly with MockFlow Wireframe Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing tutorials.